hearing the crickets sing, watching the flowers grow, watching the leaves as the wind does blow, stepping amongst litter, watching the clouds pass. I may find peace at last. A critter moves throughout its day. A post holdeth its dance. Grey hues remind me that everything does come to pass. Out here nothing does last. But if you do look to see, you may find a free world racked with much beauty. A free world where grasses grow. Discover what you do not know. Climb across treasures unforetold, even if you find treasures a little old.